Welcome to Cooking with David. My name is David. Thank you for joining me again. Today we're going to do something pretty simple compared to last week. Not a lot going on. We're going to make some beer, mac and cheese, bacon cupcakes. What does that mean? It means this. We're going to do some mac and cheese. Whole thing of butter, some flour, some garlic, some salt, pepper, some milk, and the beer, which I am kind of nervous about because I'm not sure if it's going to work. Dragon's Milk from New Holland Brewery. Salted caramel bourbon barrel stout. I'm really trying to hit every single flavor in one bite. So I'm going for crispy, savory, cheesy, salted, sweet. And I hope this is good. And then we're gonna make bacon cupcakes, which means you just kind of make an X of bacon inside a cupcake tray and then scoop some mac and cheese in there and fold it, toothpick it. Super easy. I've done it before if you watch a Thanksgiving episode with stuffing, but I think it's gonna be even better with bacon and mac and cheese. Let's turn the heat up.
So first things first, start cooking your bacon. Undercook it. Do not cook it all the way. It will cook a little bit more in the oven and all the grease will pull up in that cupcake sheet. So just undercook it a tad. Also, you can start boiling your pasta. Water, salt as you want. I put a lot of salt. And I made a lot of pasta for this one. So choose wisely. This is meant for, two really big guys to eat. So working on the sauce, melt butter and add flour until you make it like a roux. It's basically all I'm doing. Boil lightly. You just want to make something thick, and then I add 2 cups of milk. Let that boil a little bit more. Get it mixed in. Salt it up. Pepper it up. However you like. Make sure everything's nice and mixed. Let it boil a little bit more so it can thicken a little bit more. Then I add the beer and I slowly add it, whisking, slowly add it. But I added more than half of the beer into it. So you can either do the whole beer or half the beer. Then I throw my pasta in there and start shaking it up, stirring it up, grab my cheese. I probably did about 4 handfuls of cheese. I like cheese. If you don't, that's fine. Next, you want to make these X's in the cupcake sheet of your bacon. You're basically making a holder for your mac and cheese. So make sure you have toothpicks. We stir up this mac and cheese. It's nice and cheesy. And we're going to get a tiny scoop and just scoop it in there. Flip over the bacon and toothpick all the bacon strips together. So it should be like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over the mac and cheese, and then toothpick straight through all of them. Doesn't that look awesome? So good. So good. Take your time with this. It can get messy and it can get a little annoying. But as you can see, flip, and then toothpick right in the middle, and it should hold. And after this, you're going to stick it in the oven for 15 minutes. And I set it to about 350 degrees. It's just cooking a little bit.
Let's see what I have made. Oh, hell yeah. Ooh, grease pools. Look at that. That is a bacon mac and cheese cupcake, and they are piping hot. So you know what I'm gonna do. I'm pretty sure you know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find that perfect one. Oh yeah, Grease City, baby. Oh, and it fell apart. Lame. It did not crisp enough. But I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit. Actually, fuck that. I'm hungry. bacon, a little bit of pasta. I think I did it. Sweet, salty, savory, creamy, cheesy. Fuck me, this is so bomb. And since we had so much leftover mac and cheese, bring a little bit over. Bam! That's not copyright infringement, by the way. And I can get some more mac on. Holy fuck. Man, I can't. You guys gotta try this. This is fucking great. New Holland Brewery. Dragon's Milk. Salted caramel bourbon barrel stout. Damn, that's fucking delish. Has everything. Salt. Lots of salt. Grease. Crispy bacon. A sweet mac and cheese too. You can taste the sugar of the salted caramel part. That was a little hot. Yeah. Check this shit out. Fucking beautiful, right? Fucking gorgeous. These look a lot better than the one they picked out. Probably because they've hit oxygen. So the point is to see if I can do it. Is to nope. No, they're all in a pool of grease, which is not bad. The point is to be able to like grab it. Oh yeah, like that. Want to see the grease underlining?